This is the place to be.
Yeah. This is the place to be. Yeah. Innovation Days.
And I think post-press industry is a really important point here. Absolutely crucial. And it's a family-owned company. We are not that big, but also not that small. It's a pretty good size, in my opinion, about 300 people today. That's a good question, by the way, because GUK works here sometimes in a bit different way, as we are really building often missions project-based. That's true. And we are looking at the customer's requirements and always trying to achieve it. There are always some limits, as it is. So you can go up from 2 pockets up to 24. So yeah, 24 is the max we can do. And this is then we have 3 different feeders, and then we have a lot of different folding units. So we can often folding units for thin paper, but also for the thick paper, and the folding units itself, they are different. Oh yeah, we are really proud because we produce in Germany 80% of our machines. And I think today there are not many companies in Germany which can achieve this kind of production deep. And we have a few quality gates, and like the camera system, like the sensors at the end, and then also the control module at the end, which controls the product by taking the picture from 3 sides. So it's like 3D control of the product. Yes, but still in the pharmaceutical industry, we see that the jobs are getting also bigger, and even the leaflets are getting bigger because there are a lot of new laws saying you need more languages. But put it please on one page. So the page will become longer, so, and then you have to fold more. And they see also this kind of development, that it's really regulated. It's not so competitive, to be honest. There are not many players in the world. As you know, there are some in Japan, some in Germany. Actually, that's all we see. Some players pushing more and more from China and India. But globally, I have to say that the market is not so competitive because the technology is so difficult and so special. In the past few years, we got a really, really good business. And we see it kind of expanding a little bit in the pharmacy area, definitely. Thanks a lot, Modern. Thank you.